I'm Wover. Link to my Telegram is waiting for you in the description box below. I don't deal in hope. I deal in execution. I deal in the Python-coded, battle-hardened infrastructure that separates the spectators from the architects. You see the market pumping. You see the five-figure daily volumes. You can either be the liquidity that gets hunted, or you can be the developer who owns the contract. Today, I'm handing you the keys to a professional, desktop-grade token creator. It is fast, it is precise, and it is lethal. If you have the iron will to stop asking for permission and start printing your own reality, stay tuned. Open the Create Token tab. This is where you breathe life into your vision. Most people are fumbling with browser-based tools that leak data or crash when the gas spikes. Not you. You are running a professional, localized environment. Total control. The token name, Dragoncoin. It's not just a label, it's the headline of your marketing blitz. It's what triggers the FOMO when it hits the new pairs list on Dex Screener. The symbol, $DRGN sharp, aggressive. This is the ticker that will be plastered across every bullish chart. The decimals, set it to 18. This is the industry law, non-negotiable. It ensures your token slides perfectly into Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and every major wallet on the planet. Total supply. You are the central bank now. 1 million? 1 billion? You define the scarcity. You control the inflation. Now, look at the feature toggles. Mintable, burnable, pausable. These aren't just options. They are your tactical advantages. Want a deflationary supply that burns tokens with every trade? Check the box. Need an emergency kill switch to protect the pool? Check the box. Hit Generate Contract. In a millisecond, the bot writes a clean, optimized Solidity file. No external dependencies, no backdoors, just pure, functional code. If the thought of a code error makes you sweat, my Telegram is open. I handle the fire, you handle the profit. Navigate to the Wallet tab. This is the rookie graveyard. Most people leave their private keys in plain text files like amateurs. My application uses local encryption protocols. You set a master password, and your keys are locked behind a cryptographic wall. The app never sends your sensitive data to a server. Everything stays on your machine. Import your deployment wallet, or generate a fresh one, right here. See that balance update? That's your ammunition. Whether you're on a testnet or the Ethereum mainnet, you see exactly what you have to work with. If you want a setup that respects your security and keeps your capital safe, the Telegram link is in the description. Next, the Network tab. This is where we plug your machine into the global financial ledger. Stop hunting for RPC nodes and chain IDs on sketchy forums. My bot comes pre-configured with every major highway in the crypto world. Select Sepolia for the test fire, or Ethereum mainnet, Polygon, and BSC for the real war. One click, connect to network. The log flashes green. You are now synchronized with the blockchain. You can see the block height, the gas prices, and the pulse of the market in real time. This seamless bridge is what makes this bot a commercial-grade weapon. This is it, the Deploy tab. The contract is ready. The wallet is hot. Set your gas to auto. Let the bot outsmart the network congestion for you. Before you click that button, remember, the blockchain has no undo button. There is no customer support. This is the dark forest. Once that transaction is signed, your token is etched into history forever. Click Deploy Token. Watch the log. It compiles the bytecode. It calculates the gas. It signs the transaction locally. It broadcasts the hash. Confirmed. There it is, your contract address. A permanent, public, unchangeable piece of financial real estate. Your token is now live on the chain. You are no longer a follower. You are a founder. If you need this capability for your projects, reach out to me on Telegram. The engine doesn't just deploy and forget. Every success is logged in the Deployments tab. You have a full spreadsheet of your empire. Names, addresses, networks, and timestamps. Click View on Explorer and watch your creation live on the block. Verify the code, audit the supply, and show the world you've arrived. The tools exist. The technology is here. But most will stay on the sidelines because they're afraid of the technical wall. My bot breaks that wall down. I've handled the complexity, so you can handle the capital. The version I am selling includes every feature shown here: multi-chain support, local encryption, and the instant generator. The gate is open. The engine is hot. Build it yourself and risk the dark forest. Or join the pros in my DMs and execute with precision. Telegram link is in the description. One word: deploy. I build, you bank. Let's go.